Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is m to the power of 3 plus 5m. This is equal to 42. So what are the values of m? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have m to the power of 3 plus 5m. This is equal to 42. So the first step is to take 42 on the left hand side, so that we have m to the power of 3 plus 5m minus 42. This is equal to 0. Now we have m to the power of 3 plus 5m minus 42, which is minus 27 minus 15. This is equal to 0. Now we have m to the power of 3 plus 5m minus 27, which you can express as 3 to the power of 3. Then subtract 15, which you can express as 5 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 0. Now, we have m to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 3 here. So we can combine this as m to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3, then plus 5m. This is the same thing as 5 multiplied by m minus 5 multiplied by 3. This is equal to 0. Now, we have got two parts here. From the first part here, this is the difference of two cubes expressed as a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, which we can express as a subtract b, a squared plus a times b, then plus b to the power of 2. Now, applying this identity, then m to the power of 3 subtract 3 to the power of 3. This can be expressed as m minus 3, m squared plus 3m, then plus 3 squared, which is 9. Let's call this equation 1. And you have that 5 multiplied by m minus 5 multiplied by 3. We have that 5 is common here, so we can factor out 5 so that we have m subtract 3. Let's call this equation 2. So let's combine equation 1 and 2 so that we have m subtract 3. Then we have m squared plus 3m plus 9, then plus m, that is 5, multiplied by m minus 3. This is equal to 0. Now we have that m minus 3 is common here, so we can factor out m minus 3. Then here we have m squared plus 3m plus 9, then plus 5. This is equal to 0. So we have m subtract 3. Here we have m squared plus 3m, then plus 9 plus 5. This is equal to 14. This is equal to 0. Now here we have got two parts here. We have m minus 3. This is equal to 0. And here we have m squared plus 3m plus 14. This is equal to 0. Now we have that m1 is equal to 3. The second part here is a quadratic equation of the form am squared plus bm plus c. This is equal to 0. From this quadratic equation, we have that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and that c is equal to 14. Now, we can solve for m2, m3 by applying the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything here divided by 2 times a. Now let's substitute the values of a, b, and c, so that now here we have minus 3 plus or minus, we have the square root of 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, then times c, which is 14, everything here divided by 2 times 1. So that now here we have minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared, this is 9, minus 14 times 4, this is equal to 56, everything here divided by 2. And this implies that here we have minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 56, this is minus 47, everything here divided by 2. Now we can express the square root of minus 47. This is the same thing as the square root of 47 multiplied by minus 1, everything here divided by 2. So this implies that m2 comma m3, this is equal to minus 3 plus or minus, we have that the square root of 47, and then we have that the square root of minus 1, this is equal to I. So we have square root of 47i divided by 2. So these are two complex solutions. These are two complex solutions such that we have m2 is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 47i divided by 2, and we have that m3, this is equal to minus 3 minus square root of 47i divided by 2. Now the next step from here is to verify that the real solution here, which is m1, which is 3, satisfies the equation as follows. Now let's verify that m1, which is equal to 3, this is the only real solution here, satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we have that m to the power of 3 plus 5 multiplied by m. This is supposed to give us a value of 42. Now we have m equal to 3, so we have 3 to the power of 3 plus 5 multiplied by 3. This should give us a value of 42. Now we have 3 to the power of 3, this is 27, plus 5 times 3, this is 15. This is supposed to give us a value of 42. So 27 plus 15, this is equal to 42, which is equal to 42. And this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this verifies that m1, which is the only real solution here, satisfies the equation. So this problem has got 3 solutions. 3, which is the only real solution, and minus 3 plus or minus square root of 47i over 2, and these are 2 complex solutions. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. If you have alternative formula to solve this, kindly showcase in the comment section. See you in the next video.